day here in Florida. I hope everyone's having a great day. I wanted to show you the garden and what's going on, what we've been doing, how things are growing. This is our citronella. You see it's grown since we planted it just a week ago. Here's the lavender. It's still a little bit small, but it takes about 6 months to get it established. We trimmed back the geranium, and as you can see, it's starting to grow new growth. It's doing really good. And the rosemary's looking really nice. Getting a little taller there. Bird bath is doing good. No birdies have come to it yet, so I don't know when they're going to finally find it. And then here's some new plants we planted. 2 varieties of blueberry. And these are both native to Florida. I got from our local nursery. And then we have continued the fence, as you can see. And we've been moving some things around. We planted a mango bush, and more palms, and an avocado. So I'm really excited to see how the things are going to grow and how well they do. So I hope you have a great day, and let me know how you're doing with your backyard habitat, all the beautiful things that you're adding to your garden, and what's new with you. This is a great way to reduce stress when you have chronic illness. Just start adding some beautiful things to your garden. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.